Santiago de Querétaro.
Querétaro. Located in the heart of Mexico, represents much more than an expanding industrial center. It stands as a reference point for those of us who seek to understand how culture shapes design and architecture. Its recognition as a UNESCO Creative City of Design in 2019 not only validates its commitment to technological innovation and cultural diversity, but also drives the city toward a more sustainable economy. The city distinguishes itself both nationally and internationally as a major tourist destination, thanks to the preservation of local traditions, a unique blend of architectural styles, a rich gastronomy, and a historic downtown that has also been recognized by UNESCO as a World Cultural Heritage Site. Beyond this cultural wealth, the city has become a hub of innovation and creativity. It was recently chosen to host the Cloud HQ Data Center, the largest in the region, designed under high standards of energy efficiency and environmental sustainability, a true symbol of progress in the digital age. The streets of Queretaro's historic center are transformed into living stages where history, art, and technology come together, weaving a connection between the community and urban space. With the support of artificial intelligence and digital tools, cultural projects such as the illuminated moon sculpture displayed in public gardens, along with festivals and workshops like the Adobe and Carrizo, exploring traditional Mexican building materials, are reinventing the way people experience and perceive the city. Queretaro emerges from this dialogue between past and present, where tradition and innovation coexist to project the city's essence into the future. Our city shows us that urban design can be sustainable, participatory, and inclusive, and that finding balance between the traditional and the contemporary proves that development does not have to come at the cost of identity. The education we received at our alma mater allowed us to connect with people with their traditions, and with the social fabric that gives life to every space. This approach reminded us that every project must begin with a deep understanding of local culture, especially in a world that continues to move rapidly toward digitalization. The Street Design Challenge 2024 united creative minds from 5 countries in 8 cities, including Queretaro, Mexico, Wuhan, China, and Curitiba, Brazil, with 23 universities and 38 teams reimagining urban life. In just 48 hours, participants transformed ordinary streets into spaces of culture, identity, and community. Our team from Queretaro proudly won first place, sharing our vision with the world, proof that design and creativity can transform cities and connect cultures.
Case of study. Tianqing Street, Wuhan, China. What comes to mind when you see these words? Break the stigma. Wuhan is tradition, culture, resilience, and social participation. This case study focuses on Tianqing Street, a symbol of cultural and historical identity in Wuhan. The residents demonstrate a profound sense of belonging, making this street significant in their daily lives. The intervention proposals aim to create a space that fosters community integration. This includes the implementation of shared streets, where neighbors can design their own environment, eliminating road infrastructure to create a safe haven for pedestrians. Rather than imposing new dynamics, the goal is to enhance existing ones, promoting an environment where everyone feels welcome. We propose the establishment of a community gathering place that connects young and old. This space will serve not only as a meeting point, but also as a hub for cultural and recreational activities that reflect local traditions. At the same time, it is vital to preserve the commercial and social flows that characterize, prioritizing pedestrians and local merchants to foster a dynamic environment that attracts both residents and visitors. The vision is for this space to become a vibrant place where culture and commerce coexist harmoniously. In summary, the proposals aim to create a space that not only maintains the essence of Tianqing Street but also enhances it, transforming it into a place of encounter, exchange, and celebration of the community's cultural identity. The use of technologies such as artificial intelligence played a key role in expanding our cultural understanding and strengthening our project. It allowed us to analyze local trends, explore visual references from other cities, translate content in real time, and communicate with international teams. Thanks to these tools, we were able to connect with the social fabric of China, reaffirming that urban design must respond to people, their traditions, and their environment. In this process, AI was not just a technical resource, it became a creative bridge that helped us build a project that is more human, inclusive, and culturally informed. In Queretaro, the School of Architecture, Tecnológico Nacional de Mexico, Campus Queretaro promotes an approach to urban and architectural design that carries a strong social purpose, integrating both qualitative and quantitative tools. This vision seeks to go beyond the logic of immediate productivity, focusing instead on how people live in and perceive their spaces. Amid rapid technological, social, and territorial changes, reflecting on the role of artificial intelligence encourages what we might call a metanoia, a shift in the way we think, teach, and design. Rethinking architectural education from a sensitive, creative, and interdependent perspective has become not only relevant, but essential. The combination of digital tools with ethnographic approaches allows us to understand dwelling as a complex and situated experience. As a result, the teaching of architecture must connect with critical, collaborative, and technological epistemologies, recognizing territory itself as a living pedagogical space.